All right, we're back. Part 4. Here we go. We've loaded a bunch of gravel right here, made this more of a slope, actually put some more right there. So let's see what happens here. We're going to get this. I know we're driving you guys crazy. I don't know why I'm showing all this, because it does show that, man, we make mistakes, or we, we're not perfect. Never claim to be. God, if you guys know me, perfect is not even in my vocabulary. What I get is very hard working, and I'll never stop trying. I'll never stop trying to do it. And listen, we can fix about anything. Here we go. He's getting awful close, Tom. Tom's in there, got him right there. Eyeballing it. We got to get close to this bank. But he's going to go down. He got super close in that ditch. But if we can just push this through, he'll keep climbing. Now we're starting to climb. See that? We're coming out of it. And that gives that dozer room on that bank on the other side. Let me try to get over here and see this. Let me show you what he's dealing with over here. Look at that. So he's got to be, dang close. Yep, look. See how he's on that edge? And then he's only got so much turning ability. Here we go. We get back here where all the horror is and all the trouble. All right, let's get back here. We're start turning. Yep, see what's going on the gravel? All right, we're doing a gravel plow. It's like a bulldozer. I should have put a blade on the back of this house. Could have spread gravel with it. Here we go. Throwing debris. It is. It's coming up now, right? Right there. It's starting to come up on that gravel bank right there. And as it comes up, it'll raise the butt end. There you go. Hey, look. It's grading the driveway.
Yeah.
Oh, Jess is doing a good job. Look at Tom. Look, he's turning gray-headed like me. Here we go. Beautiful. Look at that. We can just clean that off. A little bit of mud. Replace the wood. We've got it here. Remember, we got some guests coming in. Jenna from Giant Journey is coming to do a beautiful video on this house and several more of our homes. Now Tom's over here. Yep. See, we're going to turn it away from this house. Right? We had a break in the rain. It got that big tropical storm coming in here. So we got a break. It's starting to rain again. And it's probably about, it's one of them days. It's beautiful. It's about 39 degrees. Love it. Now that's what we call Bohonka Cyprin. Look at him. Them two good guys right there, buddy. They care about what they do. I mean, we're talking, they've been in the industry forever. This house is in good hands, believe it or not. Look at that. Isn't that pretty farmland across the road? Getting ready for tomatoes in the spring. All right, I'm gonna back up a little bit. Trying to give you all perspective. If I can, there you go. Let me zoom in a little bit. So we're good. Now, it's going to be dipping just a little bit more until them wheels there can catch up. And this is where we add a little gravel to build them wheels up. But when you got that driveway coming into the side, it has to be flat. And then it cups up again. Just inches. You probably wouldn't even know it in your car. Tom, I think we'll be all right if we could just keep pushing. Yeah. That's what he was worried about, he said. Yeah, we'll be all right. See, and that's just really the trailer. You know, that's the trailer part, Tom. That's just the trailer, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Back up a bit. There we go. All right. Starting to rain. I don't want to get my phone too wet here. Hey, I apologize for Amanda not being here. Hopefully she'll be back. We'll see what's going on there, but I thought I'd continue bringing in, oh yeah, see, it's coming up. Bringing in the videos for you all to be entertained. This is going to be a trip because he's got to turn it and stay on this gravel. And you got that tree right there, that mini split. You see that mini? Look here. There's a mini split. You just grab a tree and break it off. Look at him. Tom's 6'2", 220 pounds, nothing but pure man. Look at him. Roar!
Not that enough.
Awesome. God, when we had Brothers Cove, you wouldn't believe the stuff we had to get into. It was absolutely this is really nothing compared to Brothers Cove. We loved it up there. There was every day. It was off the charts, dangerous, crazy. Yeah, and we built 73 homes in about 8-9 years, and it was amazing. It was just a wonderful experience. But this is too now. We're over here on the mountain. This is going to probably exceed what I think is the beauty of Brothers Cove. If you can go to brotherscove.com or go on YouTube and look up Brothers Cove Tour, you guys will see what's going on with Brothers Cove. It is beautiful, and that's what we're doing here, but we're doing it with tiny homes. Here we go. Look at that sucker. Oh, yeah. We're going to make it. We're going to make it. Good deal. Now, see how high that is how that's how high the slope is of that driveway. We're getting it in here. Remember, this is 10 by 40. It's a big old house, man. A monster. So they got a tree on the backside that they can't go that way with it too much, and a bank. The bank there. Now that bank goes this way, in the actual driveway comes towards us, so it can't. You've got to turn it and what? Yeah, little bit by little bit. You can see it jerking a little bit. Let me walk up here. I'm gonna get by this bulldozer, be a little loud. Beautiful home. You guys are gonna love this house, especially when Jenna and her camera crew comes in here. Wow, this is gorgeous. You're doing good, man. That's beautiful. Doing good. Oh, Jess knows what he's doing. Little by little, little by little. See them, and we even got the coolant lines under there. Look great. They haven't dragged the ground. Oh, we're doing great. A little bit of trim. Now he'll swing it back over this way. Hey, Jess. Yep. Tail end that way. Yep. More. Tail end that way. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. More. Now straight back. What you got, Tom? Straight back, straight back. You're doing great, man. Look at Jesse. You're good. You keep going. What do you want? Keep going. Hang on. You want? Let me find what he's saying. What do you want?
How far back? Because right now we're at the back of the gravel.
We want to make sure probably a vehicle and a bobcat, a skid steer can get by there.
Just take the front and shift it that way.
All right. Let's see what you got back here. Man, that's.
Which edge of the gravel? I was just thinking, let's take and shift the front, kind of just twist it a little bit.
Yeah. You remember her marks on the ground? I mean, it's probably, yeah, shift the front that way and bring the tail this way. Yeah.
keep it in the same spot.
Yeah. I can't imagine doing that.
Did good, Jess. Oh, it's coming to rain. That's all right. We got it. Hot dog. Had a little bit of about a 3-hour break in rain. We got it up here. Isn't that beautiful? You just don't give up, man. We got this. Homeowner loves the house. Knew we were going to take good care of them. There we go. Beautiful. I love it. That looks great. Good deal, buddy. I'm gonna wipe my phone off. It's getting soaking wet. You did good.
Right now I'm parallel with the bank.
That's good.
Which will widen this up.
Yeah, we'll if we could get some gravel in here, because they're gonna be, yeah, that'd be good, man.
Any blocks in the back of your truck?
What?
Any wood in the back of your truck?
I don't think so. We'll get some. Oh, maybe just one 6x6. All right, well, there you have it. We made it. This is part 5, right, of getting this big 10x40. Let me get back, give you guys a little view of this thing. It's raining, gonna get my phone wet. I have to buy another phone. We don't want to do that. Look at the monster. And we got it up there. That's like an eye of a camel or the eye of a needle. Oh, geez, I get them all my little slogans mixed up. But that's what we did. You guys know what I'm talking about. We put a camel through an eye of a needle. Isn't that awesome? Now, stay tuned, because we're going to feature this house. We're going to work on it today. I may walk through it a little bit. Just don't want to spoil Jenna's debut of this beautiful 10x40 custom home here at Incredible Tiny Homes in Newport, Tennessee. Thanks for tuning in, watching. Hey, just enjoy our videos. And I'm going to bring you guys every time just play-by-play videos of what we're doing, how we're going, and specials. I'm coming out with a Christmas special, buying our Incrediboxes, you guys. So stay tuned. I'll be bringing that special out later today and this week, and you will not want to pass up this deal of our Christmas special offering for our Incrediboxes. And remember, we'll be in Phoenix, Arizona, the 3rd and 4th of December at the Southwest Tiny Home Fest. So it's a Tiny Home Fest in Scottsdale, Arizona, December 3rd and 4th, the first weekend in December. Thank you guys for your support. Always pass the word you can about our business. We're trying to do a good business here in East Tennessee and trying to keep our guys going. So we rely on you all to spread the word about our products. All right, thank you very much. I'm gonna get out of here. Look at me. Look, see, it is raining and I gotta go. All right, everybody, bye.